Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about linear measure. So linear measure refers to taking the measurement of a length. And these measurements are often used to measure and order standard types of lumber. We've already talked about the units, imperial and metric. We have also already talked about perimeter. So this will be a review of the perimeter concept. But in this particular unit, I want to talk about measuring perimeter in feet and inches, and then providing the perimeter in feet and inches as well. So let's take a look at that. So this is a square. Therefore, all four sides are the same length. So the perimeter of a square is 4 times the side length. Or it can also be equal to the side plus the side plus the side plus the side. And so let's take a look at that in feet and inches. So the side is 4 feet 3 inches, and we'll want to add to that 4 feet 3 inches, and we'll add another 4 feet 3 inches, and we'll add another 4 feet 3 inches. And so you can only add units of the same type. So we're going to be adding up all the feet. All right, so add all the feet. Let me write that again. Add all the feet, and then add all the inches. Okay, so 4 feet plus 4 feet plus 4 feet plus 4 feet. And we will add 3 inches plus 3 inches plus 3 inches plus 3 inches. All I've done is break it up into feet and inches. So this is 16 feet, and this is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12 inches. Now I want to express this all in feet and inches. So it would really be a little bit strange since 12 inches is actually equal to 1 foot. And it's even. So instead of being 16 feet 12 inches, we would express this as 17 feet and 0 inches. So it'd be written that way. Okay. A second way to look at that is that perimeter is 4 times the side length. So therefore it is 4 multiplied by 4 feet 3 inches. And we should multiply the 4 by the feet and by the inches. So this turns into 4 times 4 feet, which is 16 feet. And it turns into 4 times 3 inches, which is 12 inches. And from this point, we recognize that, well, 12 inches is actually equivalent to 1 foot, and so we are actually even at 17 feet. Now, that seemed a lot faster, so that's probably the way you would want to do it. Whereas, if you're trying to visualize what's going on, this is the way to visually see what's happening. All right, so let's try another one. We're going to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Well, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And so my length is 9 feet 4 inches. So 2 times 9 feet 4 inches plus 2 times my width, 4 feet 5 inches. Well, remember, we have to treat these different units almost like they're different terms algebraically. So 2 times 9 and 2 times 4. So this becomes 18 feet 8 inches. And we end up with here 2 times 4 and 2 times 5. So that is 8 feet 10 inches. Now remember, we can only add like units. So I can add the 18 feet and the 8 feet. And then I need to add the 8 inches and the 10 inches. So this becomes 26 feet, and it becomes 18 inches. Well, 18 inches is actually equal to 1 foot 8 inches. And so the 1 foot is going to get combined with our 26 feet, and the leftover is the 8 inches. So this will actually be 27 feet 8 inches. All right, so I have one here for you to try. Find the perimeter of this rectangle. Pause the video, write it out, and then I will take it up when you turn the video back on. So perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And so that is equal to 2 times 12 feet, 6 inches, plus 2 times 15 feet, 8 inches. And we end up with 24 feet, 12 inches, plus 30 feet, 16 inches. So I can add my feet, 24 and 30. That will give me 54 feet. And I can add my inches, 12 inches and 16 inches is 28 inches. All right. The 28 inches, we won't leave it that way because we only leave them up to 11 inches, right? So 28 inches is actually, how many times is 12 going to 28? Well, it goes in 2 times to make 24 and 4 inches left over. So we will increase the feet by 2. This 2 will be added to 54 to become 56 feet, and we have 4 inches left over. Okay. So from that unit, you may have already tried some of the questions in this unit because we did the perimeter questions already in the other unit. But if you haven't, then, or if you were unsuccessful, go on back. Just do 1 to 18 or do numbers in that area. Don't bother looking beyond number 18. That's all for now.